And we're back again for a Tooltip Thursday. Today we're going to talk turning insert selection. So I got two different boxes of turning inserts here. We get a lot of questions because there's so many different chip breakers, so many different grades, different radius options. So I just wanted to go through it real quick with you. Basically, the biggest thing you can have, you have your insert like a CNMG 432. The biggest thing is that last number, that 2 at the end, is the radius. So if you have a 0.5, that's an 1/8 thou radius. If you have 431, that's a 15th thou radius, a 2, 31, a 3, 47th thou. Selecting the right radius is really important because your depth of cut needs to be past that radius for your tools to work well. The other thing, big thing, is your chip breaker selection. So every chip breaker on the box has a depth of cut range. Some are 10 to 60 thou, some are 40 to 160, some are 20 to 80 thou. You want to make sure you're in that depth of cut range per side, so selecting the right chip breaker is super important. And the last thing is the grade. So there's grades for steel, stainless, aluminum, everything, but the last two numbers tell you the hardness or toughness. So the lower the number, the harder the grade, the higher the number, the tougher the grade. So I got a 6515 grade, so the 15, the last two numbers at the end tell me that's a little bit harder grade. But then I got a 1535, tougher grade, can handle interruption better. So selecting the right grade will help decide if you're finishing or roughing and getting the most out of your inserts. Tool Tip Thursday.